Hi, Junior Engineer. I'm Amisha, and welcome to the Compass Kit. Today, we're going to be doing experiment number 1 to learn how to find north on our very own compass. All right, let's get started. First, make sure your kit looks just like this and place it on a flat surface. Let the needle settle down and stop. If the red side of your needle isn't pointing north, no worries. Simply adjust the base until it does, like this. When it lines up, turn your body so that you're facing the same direction as the red tip. And there you have it. You're now facing north. If you're not 100% sure, ask an adult to check if it really is north. And if something's off, try these troubleshooting tips. Double check steps 7, 8, and 9 and make sure the stickers are on the correct side of the magnet and that both magnets are installed the correct way. Also, give the needle a gentle tap in case it's stuck. Once you're all set, take a look around. Turn your head to the left. That's west. Now look to the right. Yep, that's east. And peek behind you. That's south. Awesome job getting oriented. Remember, the red side of the needle always points north. Keep that in mind as you go to the next step, and I'll see you at the next experiment.